Okay, here's another 6.8.37 problem that was asked. Very similar to the last one that was posted. That's 6.8.37-1 if you're looking for the other one. And so this one's basically the exact same type of problem. Hat sizes determined by the circumference of one's head in either inches or centimeters, and they want us to find both the inches and the centimeters if your hat size is a 7 3/8. They give us the information for the 7 1/2. Okay, so what we're going to do is use this information that's given to us to create a proportion to find this information that we're trying to find here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the 7 1/2 over the 23 3/5 equal to 7 3/8 over what we don't know, and I'm going to call that x. Okay, so it's going to look like this, 6.8.37, and we're setting 7 1/2 over the 23 3/5 equal to the 7 3/8 over what we're trying to find, which is x. Okay, and then x is that right there. Okay, so we have one fraction equal to one fraction, so we can cross multiply. So this is going to become 7 1/2 x equaling 23 3/5 times 7 3/8. And I think the easiest way to work with this problem is to convert these fractions from their mixed form into the improper form. Just makes it easier when we're trying to solve. Okay, so this would be 2 times 7 would give me 14, plus the 1 would give me 15 over 2 x. Over here, 23 3/5 is going to become 23 times your 5 gives you 115, and then add the 3, so you get 118 over 5. And then we're multiplying that times 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3 is 59 over 8. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do now is multiply these together. So we have 15 over 2x equaling, and let's see, I think we can do some canceling here because these are both even, so 118 is divisible by at least a 2, might be divisible by something greater than that. Let's check. Nope, so it's divisible by 2. So we get, I could go 2 goes in here 4 times and in there 59 times. Okay, so what I'm left with is 59 times 59 in the top, so 3,481 over 5 times the 4 in the bottom, so this 5 times that 4 gives me 20. Okay, now I'm solving for x, so let's multiply both sides by 2 over 15, and that will allow us to get a coefficient of 1 for the x here, so that's what we're solving for. And over here, it does look like, I can do some canceling. This is 1 and 10. 3481 might be divisible by 3. Maybe not. Might be divisible by 5. Nope. Okay, so let's just multiply straight across. It's the 3481. And over, because it's 3481 times 1. And then in the bottom we have 10 times 15, so that's 150. Okay, I think they want this left in the mixed fraction form for their answer, so let's take the 3481 and divide it by 150, and it goes in evenly 23 times. Okay, and we have to see what we're left with, so 23 times 150 is 3450, so we're left with 31 over 150. That seems really high. That seems like a big denominator for this problem, but that's what I'm getting. Okay, so let's do the next piece as well. The next piece is we're going to take this 7 3/8 and find out what it is in centimeters, and we're going to use the 7 1/2 and the 60 to do so. Okay, so set up a proportion same way as we did in the last problem. 7.5 is to 60 as 7 3/8 is to x. And when I cross multiply, 7.5 again, 15 halves, x equaling my 7 3/8, we've already done that one, it's 59 over 8 and times the 60. Okay, so what we have is 15 halves x equaling, we can do some canceling here, 4 will go in there twice, 4 goes in here 15 times. Okay, so it looks like I have 59 times 15, so that's 885 over 2. And then I want to multiply both sides by 2 over 15. So that's going to give me x equals, and 885 divided by 15 is 59. So this is 59 centimeters.